You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names, including from Latin, stay tuned. I've got more videos you can listen to and learn from. The Latin pronunciation, yes, it's originally Latin Roman masculine name. Cornelius. Cornelius would be the Latin pronunciation. In English, however, it's more generally pronounced as Cornelius. Cornelius. Now, some may pronounce it as Cornelius. How do you pronounce it yourself, and where are you from? In which context, which language? Let us know in the comments so we can learn from you. Cornelius or Cornelius? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.